Welcome. In front of me I have Huawei P Smart 2021 NFC, and today I will show you if this smartphone comes with factory installed screen protector. So if you can take a look on the screen closely, you can spot the very thin foil, especially right here when you have the cut from the front camera. And it's very thin, it protects from the scratches, it starts from the edges, and it almost covers, I think that's 99% of the screen, so it's very good ratio. And if you want to protect your phone from the deepest scratches or breaks, I can recommend you to buy the tempered glass. Even the cheap tempered glass will be better than this simple foil. And yeah, this smartphone comes with factory installed screen protector. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comments and subscribe to our channel.